Burning frankincense on top of charcoal is not everyone's favourite method of enjoying the aroma of frankincense. An alternative method would be the use of our 5 variety of different essential oils which can be used in an oil burner. We have 5 different species. One is Boswellia neglecta, Boswellia serrata, Boswellia sacra, Boswellia freriana and Boswellia carteri. So to use the oil burner, you would put a small tea light candle underneath and just add a little bit of water on top, like that, without making too much spillages. And then you take the Boswellia carteri and just put a few drops into the oil burner, and that would be one of the most amazing ways to enjoy frankincense without the use of charcoal. Each one of our essential oils have a different benefit, and you can learn more about them on our website. Enjoy the aroma of frankincense on an oil burner.